right.
Bread.
Ah.
Yeah, bread.
Chief Dedembula. Chief Dedembula.
How are you?
Now, when I get this country nowadays, the wind just dey blow now, go here, go there. The blowing come my office this morning.
You, where you don't see me, where you know how to.
No be so, Jare.
Nah, one thing I can't look here.
What is?
Somebody informed me, say, and I get some motorway in one set.
Oh, yes. If he said, I don't want to send somebody to you, so that make you know if you.
I even hear say one tip I like inside.
Tipper, yes, one tipper.
Yes. Now that tipper I come for.
You want buy that tipper?
Now that tipper I want buy.
Okay, let me see. Okay. The file is here. Please go through this one. Check it for me. It's here. It's here.
Yeah.
Yes. The tipper. Anyway, the minimum price where company wants sell am be 15,000 naira.
15,000 naira.
Yes. But Chief Dedembula, I want make you make your own something. Put am for 50,500. If you do am like that, you see everything go alright. But before then, now, me I will collect 5,000 naira cash from you. You get the formula now.
I don't get that.
Yeah.
I don't get that proper.
Yeah. Your tender should be 15,500.
Now if it is. That's one of your 5,000 naira.
Don't do that. You don't get already.
I don't put that there.
Chief Dedembula.
Now will be that.
That's right.
Now money
That's
is
right.
strong.
Thank you very much.
Maybe I give you that 15,000 naira.
Oh, not now. Make your tender. Go and write your tender.
Okay, write down.
Write down first tomorrow. Then on Friday when we are selling them, you just bring the cash.
Bravo, bro.
Chief Dedembula. Chief Dedembula. Thank you very much.
That's the way see you will do run.
Greetings to my pikin demo. Anybody will no get sense. I ain't go die for this thing. They don't get sense wiseness. Yes? Yes, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Good day, sir.
Good day.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yes,
Yes.
I want to look for your head, sir. I want to make you...
Come nearer, come nearer.
I want to make you help me.
Waiting.
For the motorway they want to sell on Friday, sir. I want the small one way they there, sir.
Please, I don't even want to hear anything from you. Go away. Go away. Go out of my office.
I want to make you help me.
What's the rubbish? Yinko's baby. Please stand right.
I need to
stand right. You know, oh, Yinka. Stand up. Get up. If somebody enter my office now, see you as you sit down, so what did they do?
What thing happen? Now crime make people when they work for the same office, they go out with each other. I bet that's not be the thing where I come from.
Everybody who don't know say this is my girlfriend. Oh.
It no matter.
Okay.
Anyway, the thing where I come from say I want that small car.
Which small car?
The smallest car where the company be one sell.
That car, that beautiful car.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody don't come ask for that just they drag him out, they drag him.
Now who be that?
No mind them, whether not those store boys.
Store boy. I beg make you no mind that one.
Let me check.
How you go there for this kind place? I go miss that kind car. Anyway.
I trust you. Go through the list there. You see him?
Yes.
You got it?
See him.
Okay. Good. Oh, the car is 5,500. Okay. Make your 500. Yes.
Now 3,500 I get to.
3,500. It's alright. Just make your tender 5,500 naira. No more, no less. Bring your tender. Then me I go see to the rest money.
Oh, you go
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Get that mind done. Wow. That's why you are a darling, right?
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Share I go see you for evening for house.
Evening. Okay, by 7 I'll be there.
I trust you. Me I dey miss you. See you.
Thank you. Ah, you good baby.
Hey, my daddy don't come. Yes. Make I come out for garage. They don't do you. That is why they sit down. Get up, my friend. But they look for job. Go sit down for my chair. Sorry. That's what they do for your house. Okay, guys. I am sorry. Get up. They look for job. Me too. Let her get up. I am sorry. I don't get respect at all. Sorry, I am sorry, Papa Larry. Now you get this house. But you can look for job. Not be so. I don't allow you to sit down for my chair. Sooner or later, you will become my client. My life. Come. You know how to drive. I know how to drive, sir. Kerikeri. International driver. No, right now. Yeah, I'm here for your money. Do like this. See how? I see how. Right now. What's it down here? This one the plate. This one a plus. This one a not true. Bless her. Begin to drive. Sit down well, my friend, sit down well. Bless her, press the brake. You see her? I don't see her. Come. You don't write down? I don't write down. Anyway, Mr. Man, I go tell my people to write you. Yes, my son. Make you don't worry. You go get them. I say they go write you. My name is Bende Talekba alias Faifo.
Bende Chalepa alias 5 Baba.
Salepa.
That's my name.
Ati Baba Joma. Salepa. Alias 5-0.
Now my name be that.
I don't write down. You know how to write.
Okay. I sabi drive well. If you say na name moto, na ya won't drive, okay? Make I tell you my experience. If you say I want drive for jejely, I go use 4 months. 4 months only. For this one here, name moto be that. If you say I want to like Sorongo, okay? After 3 months like this, they go take and go to speed take and do full court. Now do at all.
You do well. Anyway.
So Sorongo, you don't get license. I be international driver, I get driving license, okay?
You know how to smoke.
Okay. I know they smoke that small one, but that big one.
Hey!
I sabi that
You try. Hey, my friend. You don't go jail before.
Basic question they ask me, okay, now. Now you don't know me. If you go our carry like this, they know me well, every month like this. Now my house be that. I don't go like seven times.
Now that one goes be like that. You don't know plenty people for that.
We dey meet ourselves there. Popular person, he dey there. Unknown person, he dey there. Viral shooters, he dey there. Yes, sir. He go join us.
This one I'm going to.
You ain't the thing yourself.
That means I'm a bank manager.
Baby,
I'm a inspector.
My name is Dad.
Don't pass. You don't pass. Hey, my last question is say, if you say bring the phone and one trailer, they face you like this, and you they drive me, and that trailer, you don't come out for the road like this, you can't take your own road to me. Tell me, if you say that you they drive my car, you park for that trailer, and be you don't go park for her.
Baby, which question is that?
Face it trailer.
As that trailer they come from my front like this. Me say I face the trailer. I go face am, me and that man we go down ourselves. No be woman be dey drive the motor.
And you too, you
The woman be trailer go come for one side, me sef.
Yes, Salepa.
Na my name be that Baba. Jawa yo. Hey, Baba.
Salepa.
Na my name be that.
Salepa. You hear me? Anyway, I go tell my pikin, you go write your letter. Before we can, you go get it.
Abeg, you wan come, you know our garage.
No be me go carry am come, you go post am, I beg.
Come! If you just reach Elero garage, just ask 5 old there, then go call my name.
My day safe.
That you just say no problem with that, Baba. I go to expect your boy, make you come give me the letter. You hear?
Salepa.
Jawa. Bye.
Salepa.
Na my name.
Salepa.
No problem.
Salepa.
5-0.
Yes, this one I pretend. This one I have money. This. Look at this boy. And make you start to write your will, if that one. Hey, Baba Lord, I am sorry.
I am.
What is all this nonsense? I've been because of me they riot. They say that they no go green. No.
Yeah!
Africa.
He generator.
Here Africa.
We no go gree.
We no go gree.
Monkey dey work.
Baboon dey chop.
Primary dey fat. We work with the limb.
Yes.
All our rights wey dem don give us. Na today we go say, we tell them say we no be fool.
Yes.
He is Soweto.
Here Africa.
He is Soweto.
Here Africa.
Obado. Hey. Obado. Hey. Yakupa. Yakupa. We are saying, give us our right.
Here Africa. Here Africa.
If fly like this, come out.
Good. Yes. To kill him.
If to say woman being, now he do like this,
We go kill him.
kill her. You hear me? You hear. Please. How monkey could they work? How they chop? Oga dey party, we work up, we dey link. Oh, we are saying, give us our right. Okay, make you no kill yourself. Take it cool. If you die because of rights, we no mind. Yeah, take it cool. You no go die. Everybody no go die. We are ready to die. You no go die. By this my 33 years for this place. Wait, Mister, wetin happen?
Social injustice.
Oka, for God's sake. How person go just do the thing we like anyhow? Brahma must go. What him do? He do plenty. He do plenty things. What him do? Thank you, Oga. All the motor we dey for our yard. Where you talk say you be our boss. You be our boss, so look, Yoruba people dey talk am say, Agoroba go bolu. Tọ́ba ń bú ẹnu mi, me I no go fear am. If you no feed my mouth, I go do anything for am. Na you thorough with that. You hear me? Okay. The muta wey you talk say make them sell for our junior staff, people like me, like my people. Oga Brahma, come sell the motor for another person, for your family.
Yes.
Come sell am for your girlfriend.
For your girlfriend? No. All una wait for here. We apply. We no chop with the things.
I go in the office, he drive me comot.
All the things. You fit talk am in the person of Brahma.
Why not?
Yes, because God go save am. Look, as they run, they go. Now I call am. Now my inside my office, now I lock am so. Why you run? Yes, you understand? Because all this thing where they take, I have evidence for it too. You hear? Okay. Wait, make I call am. Call am. I go call am. If them born and where they come here, my people, make you no come out from my back.
Within your back.
Because if the man try to run away, kill him.
Yes.
All of you. Now provocation. Hey, shut up. Okay, make him. Don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. You be my boss. Okay. The only power where you get, you fit sack me. Yes. Okay. And I go my house. Okay. Have monkey go the walk, bagoon go the chop. For where? They not be stuck for this one. All of we go die. Not be your name dey here. Who say na you buy am? Na you buy the. Me? Yes. Me? Yes. Aluwe. Yes.
So Papiluwe.
And wait, not be your own name dey here. Okondo. Say not be your own name dey here. Okondo. So you buy car.
No, na buy car.
Me? So all of una buy car, eh? Say not be your own. Me I buy car.
My name.
Me I buy motor. Plenty.
My name.
Wait, so.
Not be me.
I beg we no
say again. Oga. Wait, I want to hear one by one. You understand? Wait, ask him. You buy car. You don't tell anybody. Anyway, you buy yourself. You buy motor. You don't tell me. You don't tell me. You be bad man. You are stupid man. You be bad man. You don't see. And you buy motor. You want for nothing. Okondo. It's alright. Stupid man. Wait, buy car. Wait, it's alright. You go meet for outside. Okay. I'll see. Brahma, what do you get to talk? True to second for them or you know say. Shame me about the car. Oga too. Papiluwe apply. And you buy am finish. Buy waiting. Okay. He apply through. And he buy am. But no, he no meet the price. He no meet the price. Yes. So Papiluwe no buy. I no buy anything. Okondo, he buy. He don't buy, sha. He apply.
What do you mean?
Wait, oh. I buy motor. You say you no buy.
You apply.
What? You don't apply.
I shall to apply.
But you no buy.
The money where they
okay, I don't understand. Now true, these people they get right for nice when they do. They get right. Why you come back and stand up there saying that them buy? mind now because that now the time where they have.
Shut up, mister! Now you dey spoil all the officers. I wonder, then tell us say all this motor make them dey sell am to ourselves. So we go begin take am help ourselves. You get what I mean? And now you are selling the motor for outsiders. Where you dey run go? You dey run go. Anyway, for your information, just when you go up, and by the grace of God, you are going to. No, you decide. You